Hello children, I am Surinder Kumari, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Pathankot. Welcome to English class. In the last lesson, I taught you the introduction and summary of the lesson Madam Rides a Bus. In this sensitive story, an 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside her village is also induction into the mystery of life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our understanding of it. Now we are moving towards the key points of the lesson. 8 years old girl, Willamette, she was called Wally for short. Her favorite time pass was standing at her doorway of her house and seeing things happening outside. The most attractive thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. Daily seeing bus, a tiny wish, crept in Wally's mind to ride the bus. Wally started to ask about bus who have ever traveled from it. The town was 6 miles from a village, means the distance to the town was 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paise one way and 60 paise two ways. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. She could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. One fine spring day at afternoon, Wally left for bus. The conductor extended his hand for help, but Wally said, I can get on by myself. Wally had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermint, toys, balloons, and the like, and finally she had saved a total of 60 paise. Wally's next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. Now you can see the picture of a girl thinking, lost in deep thinking, what to do, how to manage. So different types of the questions arose in her mind that how could she escape from her mother and to have a ride on the bus. The conductor was fond of joking. Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam. So these were the words spoken by him when Wali behaved as if she was an adult. There were only 6 or even 7 passengers looking at Wali, laughing with the conductor. It was a new bus, its outside painted a gleaming white with some green stripes along the sides. The bus was going along the bank of a canal. So, canal is water canal. Wally asked for ticket. The conductor punched a ticket and handed it to her. When bus stopped, some new passengers got on and the conductor got busy for a time. Afraid of losing her seat, Wally finally sat down in the bus. You can see a girl. So she's Wally sitting at the window side, looking out of the window, the interesting sights on of the road. She was enjoying and in a joyous mood. The conductor was a jolly sort of fellow. He was fond of joking. It was the slack time when Wally got into the bus. Slack time means the time whenever the passengers were less and there was no busy hours. He jokingly called her Madam. Wally found the bus attracting. It was a new bus painted with gleaming colors, as I've earlier told you. And you can see that a conductor is talking to a young girl, a small girl, and she's Wally. Wally bought a ticket for her. An elderly woman came and sat beside Wally. Wally found the woman absolutely repulsive. Such big holes she had in her earlobes and such ugly earrings in them. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast, right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. So she saw a cow who was running in front of the bus. It was an interesting sight for her to see. When the bus stopped and everyone got off except Wally, conductor said, "Aren't you ready to get off? This is as far as your 30 paise takes you." "No," Wally said, "I'm going back on the same bus." And Wally showed him the money. The conductor offered her cold drink, but she rejected it, denied it. You can see the sight of a cow. As Wally saw, the cow was also in a happy mood, running, and it was running on the road in front of the bus. Wally saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside, just where it had been struck by some fast moving vehicle. So the cow you have seen, it was a very happy, lively, full of life energy. But whenever Wally was coming back, so she was on back journey to her village, she saw a young cow, the same cow lying dead by the roadside because it was hit by some fast moving vehicle. Isn't that the same cow that ran in front of the bus on a trip to town? She asked the conductor. So Wali had asked this question to the conductor. The conductor nodded, means he responded positively, and which means yes. And Wali was overcome with sadness. Wali was sad to see that dead cow now who was lively a few hours before. The memory of the dead cow haunted Wali, dampening her enthusiasm. So her excitement ended and she felt too bad for the cow. The memory of the dead cow haunted Wali, dampening her enthusiasm. Wali turned to the conductor and said, "Well, sir, I hope to see you again." When Wali entered her house, she found her mother awake, and means mother had got up from the nap and talking to one of Wali's aunts, the one from South Street. "And where have you been?" said her aunt when Wali came in. But Wali just smiled, didn't answer, and her mother and aunt went on with their talk and conversation. Now we can also know about Wali more by reading these paragraphs about her. So this is the character sketch of Wali. Wali was very courageous, means full of courage, daring, sensitive also at the same time, as she felt bad for the dead cow, self respecting and intelligent girl. So when she talked to the others, she talked as if she was a mature woman. She was only 8 years old, but behaving like a more mature woman than her age. She wanted to ride on a bus, and so she started collecting every penny, that means money, rupees, came to her by avoiding every temptation for buying toys and other playing instruments. So she had controlled her temptations, cravings for the things which the children mostly want to have. Finally, she had been collecting the required money and also find out the fair time by listening the conversation between our neighbors and asked some questions about the journey. And by this journey, she realized the major difference between death and life. And this was through the incident of the cow. As I have already told you, the cow which was earlier lively, running in front of the bus, but in the back journey, it was found lying dead on the road. But it's not safe to ride in a bus without our parents. It may be horrible and very fearful. But Wali was too young to know this, and she did it only for the sake of fulfillment of her desire blindly. Theme of the story. So, through Wali in Madam Rides a Bus, Wali Kannan depicts the curious nature of the children. So, depicts means shows here, reflects, curious, eagerness, and eager, we can say the children who are always curious, eager to do something. So the story also shows that how easily children are fascinated by new things. The children are attracted towards the new things and want to gain them, find them, and do also some of the activities. And their curiosity doesn't end without them experiencing the delights of fantasy life in their life. So, until and unless they experience it on their own and have the delights, means happiness of the fantasy life in their life, they don't stop, they just move on. Thank you for watching this video.